ready to share your ideas and build a community around your words. Let's dive into how to start writing your Substack journey today. First, let's find your unique voice. Think about what truly excites you. What topics you can talk about for hours? Is it deep dives into history, practical advice for small businesses, or sharing your personal creative process? Your passion is your compass. Don't be afraid to sound like you. Authenticity is what connects with readers. Next, define your niche. While your voice is how you say things, your niche is what you talk about. Get specific instead of a broad cooking newsletter. Consider weeknight vegetarian meals for busy professionals, or exploring the history of regional Italian pasta dishes. This clarity helps attract the right audience and makes you the go-to expert. Now, let's talk content crafting. Compelling posts means providing value. Start with a hook, an intriguing question, a surprising statistic, or a relatable anecdote. Structure your articles logically with clear headings and short paragraphs for readability. Think about what your readers will gain: knowledge, inspiration, or solutions to their problems. To begin, simply head to Substack.com and look for the Start Writing button. You'll be guided through setting up your publication. Choosing a name is important. Make it memorable and reflective of your content. Think about your ideal reader and what they're looking for. Your first few posts are your introduction. Don't strive for perfection. Aim for progress. Share a bit about yourself, your aspirations for the newsletter, and a taste of the content to come. Engage with comments. Respond to your readers. Building an email list and fostering a community is key to growing on Substack. Your writing adventure starts now. Embrace the process, experiment, and most importantly, share your unique perspective with the world.